Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out how to take advantage of Bright's budgeting tools. If you want to take control of your spending, Bright's built-in budgeting tools makes it easy. Start by launching the Bright app and head into the budget tab from your dashboard. To set up a new budget, just tap create budget. Then you can choose your budgeting period. Monthly is the default, and then set your income for that period. Now start adding categories. Bright will suggest common ones like groceries, rent, transportations, and entertainment, as well as savings. You can customize or just add your own. Next, assign spending limits to each category. Bright tracks your transactions and automatically sorts them into your budget categories in real time. You can also use the budget tracker bar to see exactly how much you've spent and how close you are to your limits. Green means you're on track, red means you're going over. If you want to adjust things mid-month, no problem. Just tap any category to tweak the limits or review detailed spending insights. And if you enable alerts, Bright will notify you when you're nearing or exceeding your budgets in any category. Budgeting doesn't have to be a chore. With Bright, it's simple and smart. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright app tips. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.